Okay everyone, welcome to the garden. Thought we'd come out here so we can look through some things and I can show you what's going on. These I've shown you before when they were really bright and purple. Those are the chives. They're starting to turn white because they've been growing for so long and they're pretty much kind of zonked out. This is lavender. If you deadhead it by breaking it off, pinching it off down around there, gather up several of them, tie them together, let them dry out, put them in a little pillow or put them in some hot water, and the aroma is excellent and it's very calming and relaxing. Here's some green basil, great for in pastas and whatnot. And here is some purple basil, which is really delicious. Here we have mint, which I talked about mint before. Plant a little bit and it grows like wildfire. The smell is great. It's great just to eat as a snack. Put in some tea. Many uses for that. And here's some parsley right there. Parsley is also very good to either have as a snack with some bread or something on the side. Here's some oregano, golden oregano, which can be broken off, chopped up, and put into a tomato sauce. And this over here, this is rosemary. It's great when you're preparing poultry, like chicken. It's also a good thing to smell because it's good for your memory. So, now you see we got some little pear-shaped tomatoes that are starting over here in this bunch. Nothing coming yet here, but we've got some flowers budding, so it looks hopeful. And cherry tomatoes will be coming here sooner or later. Let's see what's over in this spot. Cucumber plants. No cucumbers yet, but as you can see, there's some budding going on. So we will have some happy cucumbers that we can either have as cucumbers or make pickles. And these plants, these are pepper plants. Not much happening here. There were some peppers growing, but I think somebody pinched them off a little bit early. Got other tomato plants down here as well. They're flowering, but nothing is really happening there. So we've got a few things that we can look forward to in the garden. And as for trees, like here's a tree. See these berries? These are called Leighton berries. When they're fully developed, they'll be a little larger, and they'll be a little more reddish pink, and you can pull them off and eat them just like that. Here's a couple of ripe ones. Or you can gather them, wash them, make a pie out of them. They're delicious. And right here, these are mulberries. I grew up with a mulberry bush in the backyard. Loved it. I'm sure my mother didn't love it because the birds would eat the mulberries and poop all over our clothes. But when the mulberries turn nice and dark, like they are, can you see the dark ones here? You can pull them off and just eat them. They're very sweet and delicious as well. So, there are some things that you can have from the garden. And, oh, one more thing I can show you today. Which hopefully nobody pulled them up. See these twigs right here? The little bit of green way down there. These are raspberry bushes that I planted last year. See, I put my raspberry sign. it may take another couple of years for them to get to full maturity, but they will. There are some that are red raspberries and some that are purple raspberries that will be growing on the bush. So there's a few things for the garden, and thanks for joining me today. You see, it's been a work in progress. It will continue to be a work in progress the entire season. But I love the colors. I love the purples and the greens and everything working together to make it a beautiful place to come and relax. So, have a great day. And I hope you're working on some garden project yourself.